of you already know there are Yacht VIP experience here at the Lake Las Vegas. It is an amazing attraction for our clients. And today, I'm gonna show you what we have done for you to enjoy this amazing summer. What up, Mike? Another beautiful ride. Yes, oh my God. Transportation to the lake, I got you covered. So Mikey, show me what you have today. And Mike always provide a great champagne for our clients. Cheers. This is the first floor of the yacht, and we can customize for any type of event. Either a wedding, a corporate party, or their amazing event for you and your friends to enjoy the entire day at the lake. On the back of the yacht, we have a full kitchen, a men's and a women's restroom. Are you ready for a wonderful cocktail? We have 2 bars at the yacht. One at the first floor, another one on the second floor. Take a look at this wonderful selection that we have. Let's check it out, the yacht's second floor. This is our second bar, and I'm gonna show you the outside of the yacht right now. Take a look at this. This is the outside of the yacht. Take a look at this wonderful view. Now I'm gonna show you one of my favorite spots of the yacht called Wheelhouse.